Starting off here, I have a tomato plant, which is giving me a ton of fruits. However, my tomatoes don't seem to be ripening on the vine, so I just cut them early and bring them in and let them ripen on the counter. Got some thyme here, some rosemary. Here's my eggplant, but it doesn't look like it's doing too well. There's a little baby eggplant right there. I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe it's too cold now. Got a ton of kale. And a little okra plant hiding in here. I didn't think it was going to survive, but it's still here. Then I've got a zucchini plant, which I think the pot is too small for it. Got a male flower there. I haven't gotten a zucchini off this plant yet, unfortunately. I don't think it's fertilizing too well. And on this side I have 3 little planters. These can be found at IKEA. And under these kale leaves we have Thai basil. This is a dill plant. I just let it flower just to attract some bees to help me fertilize or pollinate everything. This is tarragon. And to my left I've got some marigolds down there, a couple of sunflowers. I'm just going to show you guys how lovely they are. So pretty. We're just going to head back this way. Alright. So here I have a Shishito pepper plant in the back. And these are what they look like before I harvested them. This front one is called Ring of Fire Chilies. They haven't been turning red. Instead they've been turning this dark purple. So I wonder if this type of variety is supposed to turn dark purple instead of red. But I am looking forward to it. Then we've got some elephant ear Alocasias. This was given to me by my boyfriend's mom. This plant is actually edible. I don't think it's gonna get big enough for me to eat this season. So I think I'm just gonna bring it inside so I can continue to grow it. And moving on to our next bucket. So these were gifted to me by my dad. I was unable to find these Vietnamese herb plants in the nursery, so my dad went to the grocery store and grew some plants from cuttings for me. We got the Vietnamese sawtooth herb, some Vietnamese mint. I think this is called lemon balm. We got Shiso leaves, some more sawtooth herbs over there. And then I was actually taught this trick by my boyfriend's mom. So to propagate these, you just pinch off the top, which I've already done, and then you just put it into soil and then it'll propagate some more. So I'll show you what I've done on this side. So I've pinched up the top and I just threw them in here and hopefully they grow, fingers crossed. We've got some celery, which is given to me by my boyfriend's mom as well. And over here we have some chili peppers, which I grew from seed. I probably have to bring these guys indoors just because they won't be able to survive out here in the summer. And all the way on this side of the garden I planted some artichoke plants. They weren't doing so well in the beginning, but this one seems to be doing quite well now. Got some onion flowers, which I probably have to remove and take the seeds. Some lavender, another onion flower which has leaned over, and another artichoke plant. However, this one didn't do so well from the start just because I had some ants mining aphids on them. So it was really weak from the start, but it seems like it's putting out new leaves, so I'm quite hopeful. And that is it, guys. This is my little garden tour. Thanks for watching.